Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something similar to a video I did a little while ago with the salted caramel chocolate mousse cups. These are chocolate cups filled with 3 different types of whipped filling. So make sure you stay tuned to see how to make these yummy and simple desserts. The first thing you're going to do is melt your chocolate down and put reusable silicone muffin or cupcake liners in a cupcake pan, and then I pour a little bit of chocolate into the silicone liner, and then I take a brush that I use for my cooking to paint the chocolate around. If you don't have a brush, you can just pour a little extra in and then just kind of swirl it and have it run around the silicone cup and dump out any extra. You're going to do that for each of them. You're going to go ahead and put those in the fridge for a while. You can have them in the fridge. I would just keep them in the fridge while you're making your filling. And then once you have your filling, you're going to peel off the silicone. You can keep the silicone in or keep the silicone on if you're just making these for yourself. But if you want to take these somewhere, then I would remove them. When you are removing the silicone, make sure to be very careful because they will break. You can also, after they're chilling, you can do 2 or 3 layers of chocolate if you like a lot of chocolate, or if you really want to make sure that there's much less of a chance of them cracking. I was making these for us, so I didn't need that much chocolate. A few little broken pieces here and there are fine, but it's up to you. You would do the layers between chilling. So do the first layer, chill, do the second layer, chill, and if you want to do a third layer, do the third layer after chilling. To make your whipped toppings, I'm doing chocolate, cookies and cream, and strawberry. And you're basically only going to need peanut butter powder, pudding, like an instant pudding mix. So you can change these flavors up to any kind of like cheesecake instant pudding, chocolate, butterscotch, any kind of different instant pudding. Heavy cream, some milk, possibly vanilla, and some powdered sugar. For the peanut butter one, you're going to add your heavy cream and then your powdered sugar, your peanut butter powder, and your vanilla. And you're just going to go ahead and whip that. Handheld mixer works perfect for it, especially if you have a whisk attachment. If you don't, you can still make it work. Just going to whip that. Start out slow and then gradually increase your speed until it has peaks that hold their shape, stiff peak, because you want to be able to pipe it into your chocolate cup. To pipe it in, obviously, you don't have to use a tip. You can just cut off the tip of a piping bag. If you don't have if you don't have a piping bag, you can just use a Ziploc bag and cut the corner of it. But if you have a tip, I use the 1M tip for these. Especially the cookies and cream, you're going to want something with a bigger tip because the cookie pieces will get stuck in there sometime. Now for your apparently I can't talk today. For your Oreo filling, you're going to need an instant pudding mix. Obviously, I used the Oreo here. This is, I believe, a 4.2 ounce box. So you're going to need about 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. It depends on how thick you want your pudding. After you start mixing it, you might see that it's so thick, so you'll need to add a little bit more. And 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Depends on how much vanilla flavor you want to come through. You can actually omit this completely if you like. And again, start out slow, work your way up until the stiff peaks form. If, like I said, if it starts to get way too thick, just add like a tablespoon of milk at a time, just to make sure that you don't go too much too quick. For the strawberry filling, you're going to do basically the same exact thing that you did with your Oreo. I actually had my milk and my heavy cream together here. And again, you can omit the vanilla extract if you want. You can always add in a little bit of strawberry extract for an extra boost of that strawberry flavor. Again, make it your own. Add your little flair to it. And start out slow and go up on high and mix until stiff peaks form and it holds its shape. Again, if it gets too thick, add in milk, 1/2 tablespoon to a tablespoon at a time to get your desired consistency. Now the recipes I'm giving you are for only like 1/2 or 1/3 of each one. If you want to go ahead and do the whole all of them the same flavor, you can double it. You probably will still have some left over. Even with these, you will probably still have a little filling left over if you're only doing 12 cups. So you can super fill them if you have leftovers, or you just have some filling to eat. It's always good to just eat by itself too. I went ahead and topped these with Reese's Pieces for the peanut butter one. You could do Reese's peanut butter cups. You could crumble some peanut butter cookie on it, whatever you want, or even just some chocolate cookie or chocolate sprinkles to make it a chocolate peanut butter, like more chocolatey peanut butter. For the Oreos, I added little mini Oreos, and the strawberry, obviously, I topped with strawberries. Again, add your own little touch and personality and enjoy these. I know my family loves these cups, and they're usually pretty easy and a crowd pleaser, not super time consuming. So these are great if you're going to a little get together or something and you want to bring something cute and simple. Again, play with the flavors, try different puddings, and let me know what flavors you come up with and try. Put them down in the comments. Make sure to put in the comments what, if you did try them, what flavor you tried. And of course, if you like this recipe, make sure to smash that like button. And I know you've heard it from pretty much everybody on YouTube, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads, recipes, tutorials, fun videos. And it also definitely helps support the channel and helps to keep me making content that hopefully you all enjoy. And as always, make sure to live, love, and eat sweets.